Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hey, thanks for stopping by this afternoon. I wanted to share with you a new program that the City of Calgary just released. It's for commercial property owners, and it's the Building Energy Benchmarking Program. So, I just want to show you a few of the details on this program and how it can benefit your business. So, just on the City of Calgary website right now, just to show you what it is. Obviously, the goal is to help you make an important decision on reducing energy costs and greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impact of not only the COVID lockdown, but also any kind of additional carbon tax or tariffs that you might be feeling the pain right now. So, just want to jump into it real quick with you. So basically, eligibility is for commercial property owners, so multifamily, high rise, hotels, hospitals, universities, schools, those type of properties. Um, so it's voluntary. So you voluntarily submit your information to the City of Calgary using a benchmarking tool. So Energy Star has Portfolio Manager. You might have your own software program. Um, and basically, you input your data. So your electrical usage, your gas, and your water usage. And based on the size of your property, it will spit out a rating of how energy efficient your property is compared to the other properties similar sizes in your location. So it really a no-brainer if you have an energy efficiency program or a sustainability program in-house. If you're a business or a property management company, this is a great program for you to get some insight into what other businesses are doing and how you really compare for energy use. So this is within the City of Calgary only. That's one of the conditions. You apply online, and you can reach out to us at MCW to help you with any kind of energy audit work. We're a full consulting firm. We do commissioning, mechanical, electrical design work, and definitely an energy efficiency division that does energy performance contracts that can guarantee your savings over a length of period, or produce energy audits to give you a report and itemized conditions of what type of upgrades will return what type of investment. So here's some of the information that you would disclose to the city. Company name, the building use, so is it a fire hall, is it a swimming pool, that sort of thing. The gross floor area in square meters, the construction date, so we want to know what year it is. That obviously affects your energy usage. And the Energy Star score, so 1 out of 100. That free program is online, so go check it out. And if you need help with any of these calculations for, like your energy intensity factors or your total greenhouse gas emissions, if you're not sure, you don't have an expert in-house, definitely reach out to us and we'll be sure to help you with that. So yeah, a number of benefits. Obviously, like I mentioned before, it helps standardize the playing field. So you get to know up-to-date information on how much that tower is using compared to your portfolio of towers. The other thing, if you have a number of properties, which ones should you tackle first? Which one's the biggest, energy hog of the group? So this really helps you compare that and just gets you thinking about it more, because obviously during this COVID lockdown and possible carbon taxing and all that, any kind of competitive edge you can get as a property owner, you want to take full advantage. So definitely check out this program. And actually, they have a number of live properties right now you can check out. So I'll just pull up the map here. So you can aggregate this down to a different types of categories based on your property. So here, for example, is just an office building by the City of Calgary. So it's built in 2012. It's one of 37 office buildings in this data set. And you can see the Energy Star rankings and the energy intensity of the property. So yeah, you just click on here and you have full access to this information. Another office building here, you can see how it compares. So a really cool program. Like I mentioned, voluntary program, but definitely an asset for your company. So all of this content and information we're currently compiling on energyvisionary.com. So this is a free educational platform for our clients to gain access to any kind of government grants or different strategies that are out there to help you lower energy costs. So this is energyvisionary.com. Just click on the blue button, free access for business clients. If you've already enrolled, you click here and you get member access. And this just gives you access to local experts as well. So I'll just give you a quick tour behind the scenes. So as you log in, all you give is minimal information. You won't be peppered with promotions or anything like that. This is just to give value up front to our clients. So as you come to the site, there's all these tabs on the left-hand side that you can click through, and you can enter to win prizes and gear that are donated by sponsors of the manufacturers. And there's just a list of new technologies or proven strategies and video format on here that you can just click through and watch, and you can reach out to Rami. He's the owner of Interjex, and get a quote for your property. So he works with a lot of hotel companies to lower their operating costs. He has basically a proximity sensor. So as you enter a hotel room, the thermostat temperature will adjust and maintain set point. But when you leave for a certain amount of time, it will lower the set point. So it's not maintaining that temperature when no one's in the room. And this saves them quite a bit on energy costs. So I've worked with him before on a number of projects. Yeah, just introducing your company to the different technologies out there, as well as professional interviews. So this was an interview that was completed with one of our commissioning specialists, Tom Bedford, good friend of mine up in Edmonton. So he did an on-site interview, so you can get to know who you're going to be working with if you reach out to MCW or any of these other showcased interview professionals on the platform here. So as well, there'll be a number of technical presentations. So here's one that was done behind the scenes, just all video based, quick, easy access to these professionals. And feel free to click the link and reach out to them if you have any questions or a project that you want us to work on. So as well, there's different types of building certification, there's live events, project financing if you're not familiar with PACE funding. So Alberta has PACE funding now. So you can basically pay for an energy efficiency upgrade and roll that into your property taxes over 10 to 15 years. So check out the video and go register for that if that's something you'd be interested in, reducing your cash flow debt so that you can go ahead with these upgrades of a boiler or new windows or things like that and have that paid for in your property taxes. So thanks for stopping by, everyone, and have a great week.